Hi everyone, Allie Smith here at Johnson RV, America's premium pre-owned RV dealer. And we're here in beautiful sunny Sandy, Oregon at the base of Mount Hood, and we're going to take a look today at the Winnebago Via. This behind me happens to be a 2011 Winnebago Via. It's the 25R model. This is built on the Mercedes chassis, and we're running probably about 25.5 feet here, so a nice low profile, smaller Class A diesel motorhome. As we come around to the outside, you can see it's got this nice sleek look that's a little bit different than what you may have seen before in the Class A's. You've got a nice power awning that runs the entire length of the unit, which is lovely to have. And we'll open up some of the doors down here. We've got some quick access storage down here right by the front door. Nope, that's going to pop up. That's nice that it does that, so you can get things out of there without having to hold it up. We've got just a little bit of storage and then some tanks here. I've got our generator here. That's a diesel generator. It's a Cummins Onan 3200, so good size generator on here. Being a diesel generator, it's going to pull from your gas tank as well, so that can allow you to stay out and camp a little bit longer because it's got that source of energy from your gas tank. As we come around to the back here, you've got a backup camera on this Winnebago Via. You're also already equipped with your tow hitch. You can pull right around 5,000 pounds. Small car, boat. As we come in here, we've got some storage here as well. For being 25.5 feet, you certainly get a lot of external storage. Watch your head when you do that. And down here we've got our tank hookups and your shore power hookup. Got a nice slide here that's going to give you some really nice living space inside and some more storage underneath. This also has slide toppers, which are really wonderful to have, because what that does doesn't necessarily prevent moisture from getting into your home, but it does prevent debris and other things from coming in. So it's a really lovely feature to have those slide toppers over your slide. Keeps the inside of your home nice and clean inside your RV. All right, we've taken a quick look at the outside. Let's jump on the inside of this 2011 Winnebago Via. Hi everyone, Allie here with Johnson RV. We're inside this 2011 Winnebago Via. This is the 25R floor plan, which gives you a lot of good space, a lot of additional sleeping spaces too. So we come around to the front cabin here. You can see we're built on this nice Mercedes Sprinter chassis. Beautiful dashboard here. Nice comfortable seats with these head support up here. You've got armrests that pull down on both sides. If you look up top, we also have an overhead sleeping cabin, which is very nice to have. Just an additional sleeping space up here. As we flip around, we have some nice overhead storage, and this is your slide, so it runs almost a full length of the coach from here all the way down to that television. Lots of really nice living space once you come inside. We've got our couch here with 2 additional seat belts, and this can fold down into a sleeping space. So you can accommodate 4 travelers and several sleeping spaces if you travel with your family or meet other folks out for traveling and want some additional sleeping spaces for other folks to join in. It's a great coach for that. We look in the corner and we've got our corner bed there that actually pulls up into a seating area as well. Our TV in the back. As we flip around here, beautiful cabinetry in this, nice color scheme, very nice backsplash here. You've got your sink here, and you've got a 2-burner stovetop. You've got a convection microwave here to do a little bit of baking if you'd like to do that. Some good overhead storage, nice and deep storage here. You've got your refrigerator here, a Dometic refrigerator. You've got a freezer as well as a refrigerator portion. This is your control center here, which is wonderful. There's your slide control, master slide switch, just additional safety precaution. You can turn your propane on. So great little, nice to have this centrally located. It gives you all of your tank information as well. Great storage here. I've got a nice wardrobe here for storage. You've got great hanging space here, spot to put shoes, and then you've got these nice shelving and big drawers underneath. So All in all, lots of great storage in this short Class A motorhome. So we come into the back. We've got great sized little bathroom here. You've got a good sized full shower with some extra room with that skylight there in the shower. Gives you nice headroom. You've got your toilet with your sprayer. And that sprayer is to help keep that toilet clean and for ease of cleaning that toilet area. A lot of folks ask, is that a bidet? It could be, I suppose, but the designated purpose is to help you clean that toilet a little bit more efficiently. You've got a nice overhead medicine cabinet here. We've got a fan inside here. We've got some nice lights with some accent here, as well as a towel ring up here to hang things. So all in all, very comfortable size little bathroom in an RV, especially one as short as this, at just about 25.5 feet. Come on down to Johnson RV, ask for Allie. I'd be happy to answer any additional questions on this great 2011 Winnebago Via. Bye now.